Today I want to share a technique for creating an interesting texture, something that feels synthetic on one hand, but also kind of organic, like glass or ceramic, but in a liquid form. Hopefully this will be useful for your projects. I didn't prepare anything in advance, so I'll be doing everything in real time. I think that makes it more fun to watch. So, first thing we need is a synthesizer with a basic sine wave. Raise the pitch to the max to get that glassy, digital kind of sound. All right, let's record our raw source material. My MIDI track has randomization, set on position and pitch, which means the notes won't play the same way every time. So let's cut out the extra frequencies that could end up making things muddy later on. So the idea is to turn this raw sound into something like bubbles. To generate them, we'll use a filter. I'm going to use the filter from Arturia. Feel free to experiment with different ones. First, let's cut out that high-frequency part right away. We won't need it. Let's tweak the things a bit. It's too quiet. Let's add some gain. Let's add one more filter, just for experimenting. But let's try some different settings. Also, cut out the unnecessary frequencies. Let's bring the signal up with a limiter. Pick whichever you like. OTT could work pretty well too. Just choose whatever suits your taste. All right, I like that. But now I want to make it stereo. I'll duplicate our track. This one will be the left channel. This one will be the center. And this will be the right. We've got randomization set up, but I want them to sound even more different. So I'll make some slight pitch changes. This one a little down. And this one, let's push it a bit higher. Great. Let's send all the tracks to a group. Let's glue them together a bit with a compressor. All right. To add even more variety, let's offset their timings a bit. Great. Now let's render what we've got. Now we'll work with the source we've got. We need a sampler. I'm using the built-in one, but feel free to use any sampler you like. Turn on looping mode. Raise it up by 1 octave. Sounds pretty cool already, right? Awesome. Now let's use a granulator. I'm going with the one from Melda because I like their pitch mode. And of course, they've got a randomness button, my favorite holistic approach to sound design. Let's just mess around and see what textures we can come up with. Maybe we should add a bit of color to the signal using Drive? Let's go with SSL. I like it. It's a pretty good saturator. Let's mess around here a bit and listen. I think it turned out great. Use it, experiment, and create awesome textures. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel, the link in the description. See you next time.